あーちゃん、何が来たの？
誕生日プレゼント。
誰から？俺プ
や
レゼント買ってないぜ。
誰のカードで買った？
何を？ちょっとナイフあるのに聞いてよ、ちゃん。ほら、また、言って、どうぞ。言いたいのは何？
筋肉がある。
綺麗に。ねえ、スカイちゃん。綺麗に開けましょうっていうことだよね。ねえ、スカイちゃん。ねえ、あーちゃん。おー。何がある？
これダダの。
あら、これは万歳レーシングから伊坂さんからこれ待ってました。そうだな。これは何用でしょうか？ Z が待ってたんだよね。あとは何が入ってるの？
これが
伊坂さんありがとう。はい、
多分一番大変なパーツだよね、探すのが。
探すのが大変なパーツがやっと日本から来たのかな。
でも程度はちょっと DIY が必要だよね。
高いからな、自分で合わせ
だけどすごい高いよ。
おー、これはどこで買ったの？ヤフオクで？
ヤフオクで買った。
ヤフオクで
夜中まで起きて。
夜中まで起きて落札した必要なものだよね、車にね。あ
これが一番かっこいいと思うから、
あちゃんなんでしょう。じゃじゃじゃじゃじゃじゃじゃじゃ。
すごいテンポ、やっぱり
興奮。スカイちゃんも興奮している？どこに？スカイちゃん逃げたんじゃないですよ。
スカイちゃんの
スカイちゃん、日本からプレゼントが届いたぞ。スカイちゃん、日本からプレゼント届いたよ。スカイちゃん、ほら逃げた。はい、それよりセンターガーニッシュ。
レッドラインセンターガーニッシュ。
レッドラインのセンターガーニッシュ。でもこれが割れてるっていうのは分かった上で買って、これあーちゃんが直せるのかな？治るのかな？
でも一応これはこれは 90% オフで買いましたね。
じゃあ DIY で頑張ってやってみる価値がある。ここにステッカーがあったんで見て、AE86 のステッカーが治らなかったら
POV ステッカー
また貼っちゃえばいいんだよな、
ね、
ここに。ほらいいじゃん、あーちゃん。万が一ならごまかしも可能、ちょっと真ん中よりちょっとこっち長めのステッカーをこうすれば、でもね、それより直してみよう。直してみたいですね。
ここでさっき見てたのはサイドですね。 TRD のサイドスカート、ちょっとボロボロだったので今プライマー塗って、それをちょっとサンディングしたら、その上にパテを塗ればもうバッチリと思います。でここにはこの前の動画で開けたサイドモールですね、それを直して今プライマーつけました。結構いい感じですね。で長い方は多分車の方にあります。ちょっと車の様子見に行こうね。今これとこれとあとはフェンダーが残ってますね。でそれを今からプライマーします。でも今みんな昼休憩で、ちょっと今俺がいる間はできないんだけど、戻ってきたら多分終わってます。今サンディングとかしてるんだけど、やっぱり板金って結構大変で、もう何回もこれ塗って削って塗って削って、もうそれをもう何回も何回もやってて、結構時間がかかって、結構細かいお仕事だし、本当にビビドお父さんたちのおかげで本当にありがたいですね。でこのフロントと後ろを今日中に多分終わらせると思います。で今ちょっと動画で見てたんだけど、これを何箇所かが何箇所、そんなに僕なのでそんなにすごい見えるところのところをサンディングしてないんだけど、やっぱりこういうちっちゃいこういう穴とかをもうちょっと綺麗にしたり、パネルの上そんなに見えないところとかをもうちょっとまっすぐに削ったりしてて、であとはこれから多分もう一回プライマーとか塗って、それでパテを塗って、でサンディングして、それをやりますね。 Thank you for the great work, Chad.
Thank you.
I'll see you later today or tomorrow.
Hopefully later today. I got stuff for you.
Oh no.
Hey guys, I'm here at Vivid Auto Body with Rich, who's hiding right now back there, and Chad, right? Chad, who's been kind of taking the reins here on this car on the bodywork side of it. And I gotta say, we haven't been in for a couple of days. Chad's been working on the bumpers. We gave him a lot of challenges here. We gave Rich, Chad, Ben, the entire crew here at Vivid a lot of challenges. Guys, you gotta understand, and for me too, even it's a learning process, there's so much that you don't see that goes into restoring a car like this, and things that you come across that nobody probably would have even predicted initially. Especially when we come in and throw new bumpers his way, throw new lights and bumpers and all kinds of different things his way. There's lots of challenges. So I love what the idea that you came up with. What Chad just explained to me is this system that he came up with here, kind of working mainly on new cars a lot of the time, took the concept of the new cars with these, I don't know, can we call them a hanger up here of some sort, or a bracket that kind of supports the bumper. Right here, he had three welds right here that made this little bracket that allows the top of the bumper just come in, kind of fit right in, sit right on top of that, and then at the bottom, he created tabs that will bolt in underneath the bumper, like that. But I see what you did now. So now this fits up here, this slides in here, and now it's tight up top, and we just bolt it from the bottom. What a great idea! And what Chad and Rich and the whole crew here helped us do by doing that, you know what you helped us do? You helped us reclaim another $400 or $500 that these suckers just cost us too. We bought these thinking that we were going to be needing these. These did not work. Koki, Zenki, there's so many differences and oddities in it. Guys, I'm thankful because one, the kid can free up some more money. This will go in toward that 11,000 RPM engine now, huh? But we can return some parts and you create a system. Now, Chad's got a lot of work ahead of him because the front bumper is probably a bigger challenge than he had back here. But if I'm understanding right, once you get this kind of up, you get the front kind of fixed, we're moving ahead, huh? We're getting this thing ready for primer. Smart ideas from smart guys like this right here in Vivid, man. Thank you. Appreciate what you're doing. Your wife appreciates it. I appreciate your wife for allowing you to work so well here on our project. Thanks for all the support. All right, guys, I'm here with Rich, owner of Vivid Auto Body, and I got to tell you, it's very impressive what you're doing here, man. Your communication, I love where this car is going. Now, we got a little challenge, Rich. I'm gonna have to request something, kind of. I'm gonna have to dig a little deeper here right now with you guys. I know I've asked a lot, but the kid's going back to school here in a few days, and you know, things take time. We know that, but man, I would love for him to just experience once, even a bumper or something, just put some primer on something, seeing how to use it. You know, we've been rattle can guys, me for 50 years, and now 21 years old, he's been using a rattle can since about 4.
Okay.
Right? It's time to graduate with a rattle can. I want to see if he knows what it feels like to put a gun in his hand and spray some primer on it. So if we can,
make that happen. Yeah.
can we make that happen on just one part or something before we leave?
Sure, absolutely.
Kid, did I let you down?
No, you didn't.
I
Never.
told you I would do this, all right? It's not the whole car, but they got pros to do that. But I think a bumper or a couple of body panels for you to do, and to see what's involved and to respect how difficult it is to make parts look good when the paint's on it.
交渉が上手でよかった。
よかったね。口だけに任せて。Thanks, man.
Hey,
Thank
no
you
problem.
for everything. Thanks to your whole
Thanks,
crew
Alex.
here at Vivid Auto Body McKinney on the 380, as I say. Check them out, guys. These guys are awesome. And they got an Instagram, too. We'll put all their information down below. Thumbs up, man. Thanks. All right, we're here in the booth right now. This is Vivid's booth. We're here with Ricky. Ricky's been man, you've been leading the charge on this project for us, right?
Yes.
You and Chad, right?
Yes, sir.
You and Chad have been killing it on it for us. We're really, really appreciative, man. Thank you so much. And now to let give the kid a little lesson on how to use a gun, this is going to be an important lesson for him and me to learn too. Thanks, bro. 車覗いてみるか。
ね
信号がある
どうせなら
ね、チャールがいるのか。Oh, there he is. What's up, Chad? Hey, whoa! Front bumper in action. Look at that. Nice, man. Good. How are you? Nice to see you.
You good?
Oh, wow, dude. All right, we got some progress here. Kid,
Front lip.
marrying the front lip to the main, right? That looks nice. Really nice. He's got a lot of body work on here. Quite a bit of work we gave you with this, didn't we? Sorry, man. Sorry about that. You never know with aftermarket stuff what you get involved with, but thank God we got good people here working on this stuff. Man. It looks like you added a piece up here too, huh?
Yeah, so I added a little bit of extension to help hide the soon-to-be brackets.
The brackets that are going to go on here. That is very, very.
I'm excited to
So-
see what you come up with.
He's coming up with a bracketing system. I imagine it's going to work here, and well, it's going to make this thing mount that wasn't mountable up until maybe today or yesterday, right? That he's figured it out.
Not really up there, it's just kind of sitting there.
We're getting there though. Definitely progress. And guess what I caught out of the corner of my eye? Look at that.
It's one color
That
now.
thing looks clean. What we started with on this back bumper and what it is now, look at that thing, man. Look at how beautiful those tabs are that he put on for mounting. And the hooking idea up at the top for where we're gonna hook it onto the back of the car like that. That's a cool. Look how clean it is. And the little notch out for your pipe too, kid. Nice progress, man. So much getting done today. Awesome. Great people here at Vivid, man. We're really happy we chose these guys to work with.